Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add products to a TikTok shop. So guys, first thing that you will do is you have to have the Seller Center application into your device. So make sure to download this on Google Play Store, or if you are using an iOS, download it on the App Store. So now let's open the app, and from here just simply sign up with TikTok. And guys, if you already logged in into your TikTok app, it will show something like this. And from here, just simply go ahead and tap on continue to proceed. And now it will log in into your account. And after that, guys, just simply verify some documents and just simply provide the necessary information about your shop, about the business type, the shop name, and just simply provide the product category that you are going to sell, and just simply upload a government ID in order to proceed with this process, and also upload BIR. So this is a requirement in order for you to have a TikTok shop, and just simply provide your number and down below. And once you provided your number, just simply tap on code, and a code will be sent to your number, and just simply provide it. And once you are done, just simply tap on submit. Now, guys, once you have provided the information about your shop, just simply go ahead and tap on products down below. And from here on the products, you should be able to tap on add the products over here. And from there, just simply provide the necessary information about your product. And as you can see, we have to add our address first. So just simply provide your address or your pickup address or warehouse, and just simply provide the contact person as well and the number, because when someone's order, a rider will go to your house and they will contact into your number that you provided and the address that you provided. So this is a very important information to fill up. And once you are done, just simply tap on save. And after that, guys, you will need to add tax information as well. So just simply provide information needed to proceed. And from there, guys, just simply provide the basic information about your product. Just simply provide the product image, the name, the category, and the description, and the other information, so you can sell on TikTok shop. So just simply download this application to proceed, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.